Hello guys, how you doing? Welcome to my YouTube channel and the weekly Forex forecast. Okay, so right here I'm super excited because this is the last analysis for the year. Okay, and we thank God. Personally, I just thank God for this very particular year. It has been a super fantastic. Okay, because everything has been working well. Everything has been working well. And I also want to thank you people for supporting me in all ramifications. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. Without you, I will not be here. Only me alone cannot do it. You people have been awesome. Thank you guys for always supporting me. Okay. So in our weekly analysis, we have a trip here for this week. GBPUSD GBPJPY Australia NZD. Okay. So guys, if you are serious with this very particular analysis, I promise this will be a Christmas bonus. Yes, why I'm saying this is because I know that my analysis always play out. But at the same time, we do not control the market. The market will always have its way to do whatever it wants to do. All we do is just to pay attention to what the market is saying, how we can understand the language and the messages, then to follow the instruction and then make some profit. Okay, so we are believing God that this will be a bonus, Christmas bonus. That is just what I'm believing. And another thing is that you guys, this same trade we are taking here or we are analyzing here, yes, some will fall or some will lose while some will still profit. Okay, it all depends on our individual understanding. So all I'm just doing here is to try and make sure that I do things the way everyone will understand. So based on your level, if you do not understand, don't risk too much. It's always advised to use demo so as you can learn. Then as time goes on, you gain confidence and then you can start using live or trading live with a very minimal capital. Okay, so thank you guys for always supporting me, and I also promise I'll do my little best to also see how I can continue to help traders out there. Trust me, I don't have anything to hide. Okay, because what I know, you will not take it from me, and because I have known it also gives me a joy to also see how I can help my fellow traders to see and to make sure that they also know it the way I know it. Okay, so guys, let's jump right into it. Make sure you turn on the notification and then subscribe to the channel so that when new video comes out for next year, you will be notified. Okay, so this is GBPUSD on daily. Right here, the general trend right here is downtrend. So guys, let us identify how we can understand what the market is telling us to do. So I'm using my trend line to identify this particular downtrend here. Okay, so after which I have to duplicate it to confirm the trend. Okay, so you can see everything is respecting my line. So now, having identified this, what else am I seeing? What else I'm seeing is that I'm seeing a kind of falling wedge that is already broken above, so meaning that it's preparing to buy. So having identified a falling wedge, and I'm also seeing a perfect double bottom. Okay, so double bottom has already formed in the support zone. Okay, so I'm using my rectangle to identify my double bottom here, which is also the support zone. Okay, so I have to increase it so that I can see more clearly and then take it down to 4 hours. Okay, so Having bringing it down to 4 hours, what else am I seeing here? I'm seeing a kind of uptrend. Okay, so I have to use my trend line to identify that uptrend from this point. Let me see. Okay, so I'll duplicate my trend line. Okay, this is perfect. This is perfect right here. Okay, so this is a stop point here. Yep, this very particular candle that just came down here is a stop hunt. Okay, so now I'm waiting for this very particular market, okay, to come and walk this very particular trend line. So once it walks the trend line and I'm seeing a kind of rejection, then I'll prepare to buy here. But if it breaks below, then I'll come and wait for it. This is my support zone here. Okay, guys, I hope you guys understand what I'm doing here. So we are looking for buy, we are not looking for sell. I personally am looking for buy here. So from this very particular point, which is 1.31806, I'll be looking for buy here, and I'll also be looking for buy somewhere here, 1.32284. So these are the 2 points that I'm looking for buy. Okay, so I think this is a very simple analysis. Okay, so if you have any question, please kindly comment on the comment section, then I'll see how I'll answer your question. So this is all I can see in this very particular analysis. If you see any other thing, good, fine, because we all cannot see things the same. We see things different on the chart. Okay, so I just want to wish you good luck on GBPUSD. Okay, so let's quickly jump right into GBPJPY. Okay, so we are on GBPJPY already. Okay, so let's see what is happening here. I have to take it down to daily for more clarification. So what am I seeing right here? I'm seeing a wedge. First thing is wedge here. I have to use my trend line to identify the wedge. Downtrend here. Okay, downtrend has been broken. Then came back to retest. Okay, so this is a wedge, just as I said earlier, and at the same time we also have a support zone here. So let me continue to extend the line. Okay, so there's a support zone here. So, and we also have a continuation pattern that is forming right here. Okay, yep, this is a continuation pattern right here. Take it this way. Okay, what else will I do here? I have to duplicate this very particular trend line to confirm the continuation pattern. So having done this, what are we looking at? What are we looking at? I'm waiting for this market to do what? To come down here at this very resistance zone. That is my buying point. So I'll buy the market. Okay. Please, there's another thing I want to correct. If you are seeing my analysis as I'm just trying to extend it from a certain point to the next point, don't always believe that you have to hold the market for that length of time. No, that is a very wrong impression. Okay, it's very, very wrong. Individual should have how many pips he or she is targeting. Don't just go for my analysis 100%. No. Sometimes I personally have seen it that it will definitely happen that way, but I have not yet trained myself up to that extent of holding it for so long. Even if I have trained myself now, I am also seeing it as a whole waste of time, because how will I be holding one trade for long period of time? The same trade that you would have take profit and wait for another signal for you to take it, you are still waiting, and the market will reach a certain point and still come back again, went out of the profit and still enter profit. You are still holding because you are holding and you want it to get to no. For me, it's a waste of time. I can decide to start 50 pips, 70 pips. Even if it's 30 pips, once it goes at the point of reversal, I cannot just wait for it to reverse. I rather take that little profit and then wait for it to reset again. Then I will enter. So don't just follow my analysis that you must hold it until this point. It might not even get there. That is why I said earlier that we don't control the market. It might not get there. Even if it get there, before it get there, it may just go up, come down, enter profit, go up, waste the whole of 1 week. You are still waiting for it to get there. So I don't think it's wise. So that is it. So from this simple analysis, what I'm seeing here is header and shoulder. Okay. Yes, header and shoulder is what I'm also seeing here. So from this point, the left shoulder here, from this point, the head here, from this point, and then form the right shoulder here, and then drop. Okay, this is exactly what I'm seeing right here. So guys, this is the end of GBPJPY. Happy trading. Good luck, guys. Please always wait for this market to come down to this very particular low. Always be patient. No matter what the market is showing you, you must learn to be patient to make sure that the market comes to the major support zone before you buy. If the market break above, wait for it to retest the trend line before you buy. Very, very simple. Please, let's learn to keep it simple, guys. Thank you for being part of this GBPJPY. Good luck, guys. So let's look at the last pair, Australia NZD. Wow. This is Australia NZD daily. So what are we seeing here? What is happening here in the market? Okay. I want to take it this way. First and foremost, from this point to this point. Okay. So what else are we seeing here? Okay. So I'm also seeing this. Okay. So I'll duplicate my trend line. So Everything is set. Everything is super set. So what are we looking for this market? We are looking for sell. We are looking for sell. We're not looking for buy. We are looking for sell. So what else are we seeing here? Super resistance zone here. This is super resistance zone. Can you see that? Super resistance zone. So this is what we want to see. This is what we want to see the market doing. Okay. So looking at this also, there is a kind of harmonic scanner right there. There's a harmonic pattern here. Okay. Let's take it this way. We're waiting for this market to sell right here. Okay. So this is a very simple analysis. Can bring it down to 4 hours for more clarity. Very simple, very simple. So guys, good luck. Please ask question. If you have any question, ask question in the comment box. Ask question in the comment box. This is very perfect and simple analysis. Very clear. Okay. Very clear. So what do you think? Let me know what you think in the comment box. Guys, we are done with this very particular analysis for the week. I wish you guys all the best. I wish you Merry Christmas. Guys, enjoy your holiday. Thank you so much for always being here for me. I truly appreciate, I deeply appreciate you guys. All of you guys, thank you so much. So good luck in the last trading week of the year. Thank you so much, guys. Do enjoy your weekend and holiday as well. All right.